Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you why Dyson Airwrap is flashing white light after cleaning. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering, why do you have that white flashing light on your Dyson Airwrap here? Well, if your Dyson Airwrap is showing a flashing white light after cleaning, what you need to do is you need to check a few things. So the flashing white light is an indicator that there might be a buildup in the attachments or that the filter needs cleaning, and this buildup, often from hair products, can affect airflow and cause the air wrap to overheat, which triggers the light that you're currently seeing. Now, if you've previously tried cleaning it before, so if you just did a quick clean here, that might not be enough, so you need to do a proper cleaning on your Dyson Airwrap. Now, how do you do a proper cleaning, or how do you properly clean your Dyson Airwrap here? Well, in this case, Dyson actually has their own article here that you could read. This directly from their website. It actually shows you how to exactly do this. So that involves removing the actual filter cage here, and you want to go ahead and soak this in soapy warm water for 30 minutes. So it's a whole process. It might take an hour or so in order for you to do this properly, and you want to make sure that you dry this as well, so not to break your Dyson Airwrap. Now, if you want to read this, if you want to read further into this one and actually see it, you just go ahead and go to Google here, just type in Dyson Airwrap, how to clean. You should be able to see Dyson Airwrap support here, and it should give you the link here for you to properly clean your Dyson Airwrap. Now, if properly cleaning it doesn't solve your issue, it's best that you reach out to a technician. So usually in this page as well, it's going to show you a number that you could call here on the following addresses. So you could go ahead and reach out to them and say, hey, I tried cleaning my device here, and just basically have it interact with them and see what they can do for you. And hopefully they can send a technician, or you can send this to their service station, and hopefully get this fixed. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.